Theo, what did you do? Are you making soup for Mika? Uh-oh is right. Uh-oh is right. Uh-oh. Yeah, uh-oh is for sure. Uh-oh, and you got water everywhere. Are you wet? Are you a wet baby? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Theo, hey, you stop that. Hey, Theo, you gonna wash the floor for me? That's what I call a really bad baby. Yeah, you better feel all tired. Hey, 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 no, yuck! Theo, yuck! Back. Theo, that's it. Theo, what did you do? Were you really bad today? Were you really bad today?